Good morning and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 14th of September. Trading the Trend is a new weekly IGTV slot, and where we will look at a trend because it is easier for investors and also for first-time investors, for example, to trade in the direction of a trend. It's like swimming with the tide instead of swimming against the tide. And today's chart I would like to look at is cable, that is the British pound against the US dollar. And as we can see here on this daily chart, we can see a series of lower highs and also lower lows, which is the definition of a downtrend. So we can clearly see when I zoom out here that the price of the British pound against the US dollar has been declining. The currency pair has been declining for the last 10 months or so, since the beginning of the year. And when I zoom out onto a weekly chart, we can also see that this trend has clearly been intact on the weekly chart, with lower highs and lower lows being seen here. And we are trading in a downtrend channel. And last week, we hit a 37-year low because we briefly dipped below the low seen back in March 2020, the pandemic low that is. And when you zoom out to a quarterly chart, so each candle here represents a quarter of data, you can see that if we were to fall back below this 114.11 low we hit back in March of 2020, we could be trading back at levels last seen in 1985. And the low there was made at 103.45. So trading the trend is really important because basically you're increasing the odds of getting your trades right. So in this case, what it would mean is, for example, you could go short the British pound against the US dollar at around current levels at around 115.65 or so, with a stop loss above the last reaction high, which is the high we made yesterday at 117.40. And a downside target of about either 112, which is the support line here, or 110, which is a round number. So you would be trading in the direction of the trend and thereby increasing the odds of getting your trades right. Thank you very much for watching Trading the Trend with me, Axel Rudolph. Please feel free to follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is AxelR_IG.